Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? I got a new Be Happy box in the mail today. Yes, super excited about this. I don't know when this goes on sale yet because I'm not allowed to share it yet as of today, but you're seeing it later. So everything is going to be in the description box as far as like when, where, how much, all that kind of stuff. I'm so excited to see what's inside this box. I have not looked yet. So if you want to get my first impression on which is obviously a gardening Be Happy box, keep watching. All right, so here we go. Yeah, I haven't looked in here yet. And the reason I do it this way is I like to show you my natural reaction to stuff. And so I don't even know what's inside. I don't know when this is releasing. I know I'm not allowed to show you yet as I'm filming this, but when you're seeing it, of course, I'm allowed to show you. So plant your dreams and watch them grow. This is obviously going to be a garden themed box because look at this. So it is a Be Happy box, and those are like limited edition boxes from the Happy Planner that have a bunch of different kinds of stuff in them. Look at this paper. Isn't that cute? I always try to use the paper for stuff later too, because it's going to match usually like, it's going to match like designs. My garden is my happy place. So in this box, you'll find flourishing florals, blooming botanicals, and accessories to grow a happy life. So we've got a planner, filler paper, sticker book, classic discs, die cuts, page flags, washi tape, and a tote bag. How are they doing all this for the price of a Be Happy box? That's what I want to know, because this is obviously stuffed full of goodies. So let's check it out. Okay, so first we have these cute little page flag sticky notes with one has like a little watering can and one has a little plant. Cute. I love the cover of this sticker book. How cute is that? We're going to flip through this in a minute. So we've got a couple of die cuts and these are stickers. Look how cute they are. I mean, come on, just the illustrations alone are adorable. We have some filler paper. Look at this middle part. Top priorities listed out, all the things, and then down here it says today's goal. The back is just stock grid paper. It says bloom and grow. Perfect. This is perfect because I'm starting my garden soon. So, just saying. All right. We have a planner here. Let's see what this is. Plant dreams and grow a happy life. So it looks like, well, it looks like a vertical, undated, I think. Let's check it out. It is. So it's a vertical undated. Ooh, look at that. It's like a gardening planner. That's pretty cool. So if you're somebody who loves to garden, this is going to be great for you. And I'm going to flip through this in a second. Let's see what else is in here. So we have a cute little tote bag. Bought any plants lately? Happy Planner and the puns. They're coming out with the puns, you guys. Botany plans lately. I mean, plants. That's super cute. Very cute. Love a good tote bag. Then we've got these really cute medium-sized marble green discs. This is the size for the classic Happy Planner. So if you want, you can switch out the discs on here. I prefer these over the gold. But yeah, or you can use them for something else. And then let's check out the washi tape. Okay, I'm going to move this box out of the way. And let's get down to business. It's so much fun getting fun surprises in the mail. Okay, so here is what they look like. And this is like the perfect size. I really actually do love this size washi. So this is what they look like. This one says plants are friends. I'm not going to open all of them, but you can kind of see them, right? This one says a little dirt never hurt. This one has cute little plants. This one has little flowers, more flowers, and then this like kind of neutral stripe. And then this one says plant lady. Love, love, love these. And they all color coordinate. And I'm assuming they're going to color coordinate with the stickers too. So let's check those out. Actually, let's look at the planner first, briefly. So undated planners come with these, months, so you can put them on here. And then you can start it whenever you want. This is a classic size planner. Hello, this happy planner belongs to, and look how cute those illustrations are. I can't wait to look at those stickers because I think it's going to be similar. Ooh, that got kind of messed up. Okay, so this is what your currently page looks like. Focus for the month up here. We have a notes section that is lined, and then holidays, birthdays, and things to remember over here. Plant lady. We've got like a kind of a, not a shiny gold foil, but more like a matte gold foil here. This is what your monthly looks like. Very neutral, but like with a little bit of design at the top, a little bit of a swoosh, a peach swish. Yeah, I know. Okay, so this is obviously a garden focused planner. We've never had one of these before, so this is interesting. Gardening projects, date, plant type, budget, spent, notes and reminders. And then this says take care. We've got water, feed, and repot. And then here's your list of plants and then the dates. And then just a bullet point list down here. And then pest control this month, week 1, 2, 3, 4. I love this middle section. I think that's so cute. Okay, and then we go into the weekly layout. And this says gardening to-dos. Yeah, gardening to-dos, 1, 2, 3. Watering, sunlight, fertilizer, turn soil, pull weeds, and prune. So I've never been that organized with my gardening. My gardening is haphazard. My gardening is like, if it comes up and it's not like, if it's not rotten and it actually like comes up out of the ground, I'm going to eat it, Like, I'm really bad with watering and stuff. Like I try, but I'm not good at it. So maybe I do need this type of thing. I don't know. But this is great for organizing gardening and like whether it's flowers or plants or vegetables or fruits or anything. Like I think this is super cool if you're into that. So the next month it looks like we have that same swish, but it's like kind of like a blue-gray. I love this pattern. How cute is that? And then your weeks are going to look the same. Okay, but the colors switch, so these are green. So we're just going to look at the dividers now, really. This is your color for the next month. A little dirt never hurt. Cute illustrations. Look at this. It's a little scene. Love grows here. Also, I love the colors, like peach and green. That is so cool. Like really, really cute color scheme. And this dusty blue. Plants are friends. Yes, they are, but I kill my friends, apparently. I don't mean to. And then we have like this pink, like really pale pink with like the peach and the green and the dusty blue. The colors are so pretty. And these illustrations, can we just talk about those for a second? Like, look at those. Super cute. I love my jungle. Home is where my plants are. Look, there's a kitty cat. And then more plants. Plant a happy life. Get it? Like plan a happy life? Yeah, plant a happy life. They're changing up their motto. Sorry, I have plants this weekend. Sorry, is that what I should tell people? I'm an introvert, you guys. I should be like, sorry, I have plants this weekend. I can't go out. I don't know if that would fly though. I don't know if they'd buy that excuse, because they also probably know that I don't have plants because I kill them all. So that's what the back page looks like. And then this is what the back cover looks like, a little jungle. I love this. I think this is a great idea, and it's a super cute, super cute planner. Okay. Let's look at this sticker book because I know that's what you're waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. My garden is my happy place sticker sheets. Is that what it says? It just says my garden at the top. Okay, so obviously it's going to look like the planner, and I'm happy about that because, like I said, super cute. There's something for me about plant stickers. I know I've talked about this before. Just like plants in my planner, plants in my planner. Love it. Love them for some reason because I can't keep them alive in real life, maybe. I love double box decorative stickers. Because I use the happy planner. I use the big happy planner, so it like fills up a lot of space. Love, love, love that so much. And then these cute little illustrations here. Can't touch this. Plant lady. Look at this. Reminder. Ooh, look at the patterns behind these. And the color palette is so pretty. It's so pretty. It's soft and it's like a little bit neutral, you know what I mean? But not too much so. Perfect. So here we have plant name, watering, sunlight, fertilizer, temperatures, pet friendly, yes or no. We have a couple of those. Long box stickers are my fave. So we have those. I like to put those in the sidebar. Things to do. And then here we have garden planning, seed shopping, get a soil test, soil prepping, men's soil, bed preparation, order seeds, start seedlings, stuff like that. All your gardening needs. Checking daily, stay consistent with, making a habit. So we got some habit trackers in really cute colors. And look at these strips, you guys. Wait, is there 2 pages of those? No. But look at those strips. I'm in love with those. I will be using those. Okay, so this is on clear sticker paper. And we have like these dots, these like little gold dots, like sprinkles of dots, which I love. Love this table. Super trendy. The plant with the fringe on it. Come on. I mean, sorry I have plants this weekend again. The chair in that same pattern. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The cats. Like, I love these, like the little candles. Look at this, like the rainbow. Oh my God. Like, I am in love with these illustrations. I'm sorry that I keep saying that, but I am. Like this little wheelbarrow with the stuff in it. So this is paper and these are clear. You grow, girl. Ooh. Ooh. It's just different than what we're used to, and I'm all for it. I'm here for it. Love, love, love. We got a lot of pruning shears here. Some spades to do. Daily gratitude, take a day off, play in the dirt, soak up the sun, harvest time, garden party, plant dreams. So even if you're not a gardener, I feel like this sticker book is worth it. Like, I would still buy it anyway, even though I'm terrible at gardening and I don't necessarily plan for my garden. I would totally buy this anyway. And like these, it says, I'll be in the garden. Well, you can even cut this off and still use these. Like, I like a lot of types of sticker books that really are not for me. Like, I mean, all right, I didn't buy the pregnancy sticker book, but I have the wedding one. And also I have teacher and student ones. Like, I'm not a teacher or a student. And there's a couple other examples of ones I have that I'm just not, but just like cute. Like, you can modify these is what I'm trying to say. Like, if you don't want to put this garden journal part, you can cut it, and have that box. Like, so there's just plenty of options for you. Tending to today, remember, important. Tending to remember. Harvest log. I think these are a lot cuter than the other gardening books, which I also love, but I think these are cuter. This is cuter, I mean. So we've got some decorative box stickers that have like the matte gold letters in them. And then look at these. I love these kind of stickers because you can layer boxes on top of them and it's going to look super cute. And I'm always looking for decorative box stickers that don't have writing on them so that I can do that, because I think that's super cool. You can also cut them like into strips, you know. You can punch circles out of them, whatever you want to do. These are super flexible, so I love that. We've got some like regular box stickers for you in those same colors. Love it, love it, love it. I love when they include boxes in the colors of the sticker book. More for you, super cute. And then we have some clear gold icons, like a little spray bottle and like a little glove and just like a little wheelbarrow. Really cute. Look at this one. It's like dirt with a shovel in it. Same deal except in black. Ooh, and then we have some veggies. Veggies and fruits. And again, gold and then black. They're so cute. Look at that baby avocado. Super cute. And more of these type stickers. These are on clear paper. I just love them so much. And I have ideas running through my head of things I'm going to make with these stickers. So that's it. I love this box. You guys, you get a lot of stuff in this box. I don't know how much it's selling for yet as of this filming, but I will put everything in the description box, like I said, and maybe in a comment as well. And I'd appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link, just because a lot of work goes into this and it's a little bit of a kickback for me. No cost to you, you know, so I will put that down in the description as always. So thank you for watching and let me know what you think in the comments below. I think this is a great box and I'm super excited about it and I hope you are too. All right, I guess that's all from me. Take care and have a great day. Bye.